What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ken Birdsall here from KB Cars. Today we're going to talk about what's new, what's changed for the 2021 Chevrolet Spark. So a couple good things that I think you need to know, two things in particular. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Turn on those bell notifications. Stick around. Let's check it out. So before we get too far, I just want to say that I'm not going to go in depth on this car. I'm not going to show you all the features. I have videos on that. You can check out my channel to watch those there. But today we're just going to, again, talk about what's changed, what's different. Not a whole lot has changed. This hasn't been a car that's changed a whole lot over the last few years, but it's not going away. I think based on just the very little bit of changes that they're doing, it's just something they're going to keep. This is a new color this year, by the way. So that's the first thing I think you need to know is color changes. And orange burst metallic is gone and raspberry is gone. New for this year is mystic blue metallic, which is what this one is. Kind of get that at a few angles so you can really catch the colors there. This one is $395 extra there. The other new color is Cayenne orange metallic. It's not new to GM, but it is new for 2021 here. But so this Sonic was the only one I had with Cayenne orange metallic, but I just wanted to show you guys. You guys can catch it on those body lines. I know it's a Sonic, but kind of show you that. And the cost to it is $395 on a window sticker there. The second thing you should know before you hit the lot to find your Spark is some LPO changes. Nothing really important here as far as earth-shattering news, but your gold bow ties, you can now get those in black on the Spark. You can get it pretty much in every single GM model except for the Spark. So now you've got it there. The other thing is some wheel changes. It's not these ones specifically here, but the 15-inch black painted aluminum wheels, they're gone. It's kind of similar to those silver painted aluminum, which we'll still have, but the black ones are gone. So in quite possibly the shortest video that I've put up here on YouTube, that's it. That's all that's changing for 2021. I just want to let you guys know what this color is called and what colors are going away. That's probably the biggest things you need to know. So if you are looking, you're thinking, should I wait for the 21s or should I take advantage of those sales? It depends. If you want this color or if you want the Cayenne orange metallic, then wait and see, you know, as these fill the lots. But if you want that orange burst metallic or specifically the raspberry, which I haven't actually seen in a while, so I think they cut that one a little while ago, maybe mid-year production, you better hop on those right now. If you can find one, take advantage of it. But good little car. I'm going to have a full review video on this one later, so you guys can check that one out. If you have any questions, leave those down below. I'll try to help out as best as I can. And thanks for watching the video. Again, if you are new, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Turn on those bell notifications. You guys drive safe and have a great day.